In this episode, we're gonna be changing the look of my car completely. From a boring ass drift car to a very cool drift car. Because in this video, we're gonna go apply a brand new livery, finally upgrading my exhaust. It's gonna sound way better and just look way better too. This episode, my friends and I will install a livery on my drift car. It's also my first time installing a livery, so I don't expect it to be perfect. Like I do allow some minor imperfections. And this is what we applied yesterday. As you can see, this one is crinkled up there and the rest turned out pretty good. We only applied this one part and a small sticker here, and same on the street runner. On the side skirt we put the street runners logo. And yesterday when we began installing the livery, we thought it was a good idea to start with the side skirts, but actually not, because they're not flat surface and they're like dent in, so it was actually harder than applying the first sticker on the car. So it's day 2 now. We're gonna do the rest of the car today, and we'll do the side skirt as last, because it actually takes the most time. And by the way, this episode is filmed during the previous episode, because the crank seal didn't arrive on time, so yeah, I just left the timing belt as it is. And we don't need to take the car off the bridge, because it's actually good that it stayed on the bridge, because we can raise the car and get easier access when the car is a bit higher. And because I was waiting for the crank seal, my friend came over with his bumpers. I painted these in the meantime, and I used my drift car as a painting booth. I just had foil taped around everywhere, so that most of the overspray will be stuck in one place and not fly all over the garage. Okay, so yesterday we applied the livery on both sides, and we have the last final pieces left. And because we got so much extra, and in the original design we didn't put anything on the hood, but because we have extra parts, there are actually 2 pieces that fit perfectly on the hood. Not this one, but these 2. Let me put them on the car real quick so you can see. So this is the idea that we have with those 2 pieces, and then this banner will go on the roof, and it will go sit on the roof here right in front. So I will apply both of the stickers now, and then I have a few more extra parts. Wow, look at this. This just finishes the job almost. This is like almost the final touch. But we have one more sticker, and that's the chrome fire sticker. It will sit on the roof, and that will literally finish the complete car. I have the side skirts over here, and then I will put the side skirts on, drive the car outside to see how it looks like in sunlight. This is so amazing. It's so amazing how it turned out by now. It's crazy. And a new package arrived from Garage. And not only are we gonna change the floor mats, but we also gonna change the rear fog lights to the clear ones. Because right now I still have those ugly red fog lights, and they don't really match with the clear tail lights. It will also match very well with the livery and with the chrome Lexus badges. So we're gonna do that today, and let's unbox the floor mats first. Just look at these beautiful floor mats. They match way better with the whole car now. because right now I didn't have any floor mats and my foot was like sliding around or getting stuck on the default on the basic mat, I think. I also asked them if they can put my logo on it, and they actually did. These floor mats make the interior of the car look way more complete and way more comfortable when drifting, and of course they give extra style. I also got for the rear passengers some floor mats too. So the interior is complete now. We got some sick floor mats. I only need to install a hydro, but that will be done in the next video. Now let's move on the fog lights. So this one actually pops straight out because it's broken. And then the new one, you can just click it in. If I can align it. So the new one just clicks in, and of course there's a nut, and then you tighten it up. This just looks way better than those ugly red ones. And this just fits way better with the livery, with the chrome livery too. And of course, there's one more part missing, because this doesn't match with the rest of the chrome at all. And I myself haven't seen this livery outside in the sun, so when it's gonna be perfect weather, I will put this car outside for the full reveal so we can both see it in clear sunlight how it looks. So see you guys the next day when there's more sunshine. But before I show you the livery, let's get a new exhaust first. Okay, so we just arrived. But to make this custom exhaust fit, we had to cut my rear lip to fit the 3-inch shotgun exhaust pipe. And of course, he had very cool cars, so I did have to take a look at it and show it to you. Test drive. Literally sounds like a Jay-Z. What the f? It's insane. This car literally sounds like a baby Jay-Z. It's insane. What the fuck? Okay, that was it for the exhaust. I'm extremely happy with it. But now let's go back home to show you guys the full review of my car.
Didn't see me coming, now you better get to running. Holes in your body, pouring out all your life. Suckers trying to come and catch me, boy. You stay strapped with the knife. Not enough to kill your boy, ready to kill your boy. Fucking up the system, murder is my only fucking choice. Playing with a dead body, off the weirdest thing.
And as you may have seen during this video, my front bumper is broken. But for that, you have to wait for the next video.